The HausinLuck 30-inch undermount workstation sink transforms any culinary space with its sleek aesthetics and premium engineering. Crafted from heavy-duty 16-gauge stainless steel, this handmade single-bowl kitchen sink offers exceptional durability and resistance to dents and scratches. The striking black finish provides a modern, sophisticated look that seamlessly integrates beneath the countertop, creating a clean appearance that elevates contemporary kitchen designs. Designed to maximize efficiency, the HausinLuck 30-inch undermount workstation sink features an integrated ledge that allows you to slide custom accessories across the basin. This innovative setup turns your sink into a multifunctional prep station, minimizing counter clutter and streamlining meal preparation. Additionally, the R10 tight radius round corners combine a sharp, modern geometric aesthetic with practical functionality, making the interior surfaces incredibly easy to wipe down and maintain. This comprehensive package includes a pack of 5 premium accessories that perfectly complement the basin, including a cutting board, colander, and protective bottom grid. Having these tailored tools directly on the HausinLuck 30-inch undermount workstation sink optimizes your workflow from chopping vegetables to drying dishes. The spacious single-bowl design ensures ample room for washing large pots and pans, making it an indispensable and highly functional asset for busy home chefs. Pros: workstation design with ledges, deep 10-inch bowl, durable 16-gauge stainless steel, tough nano PVD coating, rust and scratch resistant, high temperature proof, fast water drainage. Exceptional noise reduction, easy to clean corners, includes multiple accessories. Cons: no featured offers available, requires large base cabinet, potential for color mismatch features. 30-inch size, black stainless steel, undermount design, workstation style 16-gauge thickness. Handmade construction, single bowl layout, R10 rounded corners, integrated ledge, includes 5 accessories. The HausinLuck 30-inch undermount workstation sink transforms any culinary space with its sleek aesthetics and premium engineering. Crafted from heavy-duty 16-gauge stainless steel, this handmade single-bowl kitchen sink offers exceptional durability and resistance to dents and scratches. The striking black finish provides a modern, sophisticated look that seamlessly integrates beneath the countertop, creating a clean appearance that elevates contemporary kitchen designs. The HausinLuck 30-inch undermount workstation sink offers a highly functional design featuring a deep 10-inch bowl, durable 16-gauge stainless steel construction, and a tough nano PVD coating that provides excellent resistance against rust, scratches, and high temperatures. Its user-friendly features include fast water drainage, exceptional noise reduction, and easy-to-clean rounded corners, alongside a convenient set of included accessories. However, potential buyers should be aware that the sink requires a large base cabinet for installation and may occasionally present challenges with color matching. While there are currently no featured offers available for this model,